cancellation department. This is Emma. How are you doing today?
Hi, good. I'm really concerned because I got this message that there's been possibly some fraud on my Amazon card.
I will explain you each and everything, okay?
Oh, thank you so much.
Actually, some hackers are misusing your personal details, okay?
Oh,
And
no.
create a fake Amazon account and purchase a iPhone 11 Pro Max under your information. So this is a verification call.
Oh,
You
that's-
want to place this order or you want to cancel this order and refund your money back.
Yeah, no, I did not make that charge. We need to cancel that charge.
So you want to cancel this order and refund your money back, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. So first of all, I will help you to generate cancellation ID and cancellation form on your computer screen.
Oh, thank you,
can fill up the live
thank you so
cancellation
much.
form.
Thank you so much for helping me.
First of all, confirm me, do you have any computer or laptop?
Yes, I do.
So go and switch on your computer, okay? Then I will connect you to the Amazon secure server.
Okay,
Then our server will helping you.
okay, my computer's on.
Okay, and first of all, pull up your browser like Google Chrome. Open up your Google Chrome.
Okay, yes, I've got Google Chrome pulled up.
Okay, then look on your keyboard, okay? Can you see your keyboard?
Yeah, I see my keyboard. It's right in front of
Okay,
me.
look on your keyboard.
Okay?
Left side down bottom corner, can you see CTRL control key?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Beside the control key, which key do you see? Like FN key or 4 flag window key? Which key do you see?
There's a Windows key.
Okay. Press the window key, then later R as in Romeo at the same time, okay?
Okay, you want me
Press the
to
window key, then later.
Okay, you want me to touch those?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let me see if I can touch that. Just one second. Okay, I'm gonna try to touch it.
Yes, press the window key, then later R as in Romeo.
I can't seem to touch it. I'm trying to touch it, but I can't touch that. Just a second.
Can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you.
Listen up, homeboy. It's hammer time.